Anong sagot dyan? Pag-usapan natin yan sa video na ito. Now, this is how I do it, and I prefer ratio rotation for most of these problems. Napag-usapan na natin yan at may full video lesson yan on YouTube, ha? So, meron daw 6 na varsity students, and equivalent siya sa 3/8 ng honor students. I will start with this hanggang makarating tayo dun sa kung ilan ba yung total number of students. Now, kung ganito to, pwede kong ilagay dito yung over x para malaman ko kung ano yung kabuuan nila. Kasi yung 3 ay equivalent siya sa 6 over hindi natin alam kung ano yung denominator. Now, of course, yung iba sa atin, isang tingin pa lang, alam na agad kung ano yung sagot, which is 16. Pero kung gusto mo gamitan ng ratio rotation, you can do it like this. Iikot mo lang siya. 6 divided by 3 is 2, times 8 is 16. Ibig sabihin nun, 16 ang honor students in total, and 3/8 of that is 6, which is the number of honor students na varsity athletes. Now, dahil alam na natin kung ilan yung honor students, pwede na natin siya i-compare doon sa binigay, which is ang number of honor students in the class ay equivalent sa 1/4 of the entire class. Same thing, lalagyan ko siya ng x dito sa ilalim kasi gusto ko malaman yung equivalent niya. And then, I could do another ratio rotation. Iikot ko lang yan. 16 divided by 1 is 16, of course, times 4, which is 4 na 15, 60, plus 4 na 1, 4, or 64. And dun pa lang, nakuha ko na, there are 64 students in total. Now, just to show you kung gusto kong gamitin yung algebra na isang elegant formula siya, it would be x is the number of students in the class, times 1/4, this will represent the number of honor students, and then multiplying it by 3/8, lalabas dapat yung 6. Now, whether you solve this equation or use the method kanina, the answer would still be the same, which is 64 total students. Now, I make these videos to show you that when it comes to math, merong mga iba-ibang paraan para makarating sa sagot. Kaya hindi totoo na kung creative ka, mahina ka sa math. There are creative ways to problem solve. And muna for now, don't forget to follow me for more.